Hey, welcome back to another qmark video. So in this video, we're going to be exploring this tool called Sherlock. So basically this tool is also kind of a detective tool where it is most commonly used to do recon study on any person name that you'll be providing to this tool. So this tool will go and search in all type of social media accounts and all type of major entertainment profile accounts, and it will search and send you the results. And using these results, you can do a study on the target. Without getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see how I'm going to do that. Hey, so for this video demonstration, I'm using my Parrot OS. Now we need to just open the browser. I'm opening Firefox browser. So now once inside the browser, just type Sherlock GitHub and enter. Now here we need to open the first link. Now this is the tool what we want. Just copy the code and just right click, open on terminal and git clone and paste the code what we just copied and press enter. Now the tool will get locally downloaded. Now just type ls to see the tool. Now type cd and space Sherlock to get inside the Sherlock folder. Now again type ls. Now here you can see all the type of files that is available inside it. Now we need to install this requirement file. Now inside the main folder, just type sudo python pip install r space requirements.txt. So now after installing the requirements, now it will show you all the packages has been installed. Now we are good to go. So now let me clear this screen. So now just type python 3 space, type the name Sherlock and space the username what you want to search in online. So for this I'm demoing the qmark online. Now here you can see it will take a little bit of time. Now you can see it has already found my hacker 101 profile, and it has found my Facebook profile. Now let me open another tab in the same folder. Now here let's do another search for sudo python 3 Sherlock and Vijay. So now press enter, type your sudo password. See, sudo is not required, but if you provide, that is like an additional advantage for the tool. So now here you can see my profile, what's available totally online. Now here you can see I got a Telegram, Reddit and Hacker 101. Let me open my Twitch channel. So now here you can see this is my Twitch channel, and this tool was able to find my account in Twitch, and it just showed me the URL results. So now here you can see the other results of Vijay. So here you can see a lot of websites out there. Let me open one. So 7 cups. So here you can see Vijay, listener, newbie. So this is the one information about this person called Vijay. Now if you have a full name of a person, you can provide that to this tool so that your results will be more specific and more accurate. So now let me show you another trick. So let me clear the screen. Now how to store these results. So let me use the same Vijay. Now I'm going to use T and just save results vijay.txt. So now here you can see this tool is running, and now this tool will store all these results in that vijay results.txt file. So this T is nothing but another tool that built inside the Linux. Now let's clear the screen again. So type ls. Now here we can see the results are stored. Now let me minimize the screen and let me open the Sherlock. Now here vijay.txt. So this is the file what we just stored. So this is the results what we just got from this Sherlock tool. So here you can see all the results that has been stored. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do so, give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel. If you want me to work on any future content, do let me know in the comment section. Have fun, happy hacking, take care, bye bye.